Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Tacoma.
Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row.
This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles.
Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, perimeter alarm, power brakes, rear stabilizer bar, battery saver, body color door handles, braking assist. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.